Thunderfoot, your videos are informative and entertaining. I can tell that you struggle with frustration when dealing with the religious worldview. Your cause is noble, and future generations will be thankful to those, like you, that took the time and energy to compile and synthesize information onto new networks such as YouTube to increase public knowledge of science and nature. That being said, their worldview sees you as literally Satan. Thus, the reason they have no guilt in messing with your ratings and comments. In their mind, exists concrete concepts of good and evil. Their worldview will persist long after our lifetimes, but like everything else, will evolve. What do you reason will be the long-term impact of the internet and global communities on the religious mindset? This has been a transmission from the Robot Philosopher. In the name of peace, science, and cooperation.